Everyone, welcome back. So today's video is just a bit different. I'm going to be reviewing the NewAir Froster 125 can freestanding beverage fridge in black with party and turbo mode. It chills down to 23 degrees. So I'm just going to start off by cleaning the fridge. It was a little disorganized. Some of the cans got pushed back. I'm going to clean it and just wipe it down a little bit and talk to y'all about the product while I do that. NewAir was nice enough to sponsor this video, so I'd like to say thank you for that. I absolutely love NewAir. I've worked with them in the past and they are one of my favorite companies. All of their stuff is very high quality, very nice, performs well, and it does everything it says it's going to do. So with that said, I'm going to go ahead and just give y'all a rundown on some of the features with this fridge. It holds up to 125 cans. Turbo mode frost beer in under 1 hour. Party mode prevents temperature fluctuations for 6 hours, meaning like if you're going to be opening that fridge a lot, for a few hours, party mode really keeps it cold in there. So that's really nice to have. It chills drinks from 23 degrees Fahrenheit to 72 degrees Fahrenheit. Heated glass doors, stays frost free, freestanding design, parties anywhere, adjustable and removable shelves. And that's another thing I like about NewAir products. Usually you can take the shelves out and adjust them to the height that you would like it to be. So that's just some of the things that are really cool about this fridge. So I really think this fridge would be cool in like a man cave or just in any kind of chill area in your house, even if it was in your living room. Say you don't want to go that far for drinks or whatever. Also, like I've been thinking, if we ever had a barbecue or anything outside, it wouldn't be much to just take this outside and have it out there for the day for people just to grab a cold drink. So anyway, that's just some of the things I like about this fridge. It's small, it's sleek. I like the design, which is like all of the products that NewAir has. It's just a really good quality fridge, and it's probably one of my favorite fridges from NewAir. So anyway, it just keeps everything super cold, and you don't have to worry about ever getting a hot beverage from this fridge. Yeah, so if you like this type of thing, then definitely go check out NewAir. I will have it linked down below, and you can go check out their website. They have so much stuff to choose from, but this is what I'm reviewing today, and the reviews on this are amazing. So I guess everybody loves it about as much as I do. The look is just, it's outstanding. I love the way it looks. It will probably stay here for a while. The way I move the house around, you never know. But I think that we will be keeping this fridge for a while and just using it for whatever. You don't have to keep your alcohol in here. You can keep Cokes in here or drinks or just anything, water. Just, it keeps it very cold. So go down below and click the link and use code Jubara for a discount when you order this. And I promise if you get it, you will love it. I would never ever talk to y'all about something that I didn't absolutely love. And I do love NewAir and I love their products. And they're one of the companies that I do work with quite a bit. Because of that, I would never, ever want y'all to get something that wasn't high quality or that wasn't going to last or that didn't say or didn't do what it says it's going to do. So anyway, go check out NewAir. Thank y'all so much for supporting my channel and for being here with me. I will have a new video up tomorrow, and I hope to see y'all there. As always, take care of each other. Love you guys. Bye. And thank you, NewAir, for sponsoring this video.